Hey friends, who's hungry? Transform your weeknight meals into something absolutely mouthwatering with this Mississippi pot roast recipe ready in a fraction of the time in an Instant Pot. Season both sides of one 3 to 4 pound boneless chuck roast with salt and pepper. Gently press the seasoning into the meat with your hands. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the Instant Pot. Select the saute function and heat until the oil is hot. Add the roast to the Instant Pot and sear it for 3 to 4 minutes on all sides. Remove the roast and pour in 3/4 cup of beef broth. Let the broth come to a boil and scrape up any bits of food that have stuck to the bottom of the pan. Turn the saute function off. Return the roast to the Instant Pot. Sprinkle 1 1-ounce packet of ranch dressing mix and 1 1-ounce packet of gravy mix directly over the meat. Add 4 to 6 pepperoncini peppers and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over the top. Pour 1/4 cup of the pepperoncini juice from the jar around the roast. Lock the lid, set the valve to sealing, and select the manual function. Cook on high pressure for 90 minutes. Allow natural pressure release for 15 to 20 minutes before opening the lid. Remove the roast from the Instant Pot and shred with 2 forks. Optionally, return the shredded meat to the pot to soak in the juices for a few minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.